everyone. So today we're working on a large hex and we're going to do an open cup pour. So I'm going to go ahead and put some black down on the canvas and to give us a I call it a slick, so the paint slides off, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I went ahead and put a little base on there, and I like to use that so the paint has something to glide over. So I went and added a regular black pouring in the middle so I could set my cup, make sure it's got a little wiggle room, and now we're going to add color. And I'm going to use Praj Posse Lemon Lime Shimmer, Artist Loft Cobalt Blue Metallic, Deco Art 24 Karat Gold, and Praj Posse Sleeping Beauty Turquoise Shimmer. And I will be putting black in between a little bit here and there. So let's start with some lemon lime. So instead of making you guys watch me do all this, I'm going to put it in fast forward. Okay, that was fun. It was actually fun to watch the colors come out. I'm going to push these back and we're going to start tilting. So I know where all my paint's at anyway. So I just want to get my edges. One more. Pretty colors. I love that lemon lime shimmer. One of our new summer colors. It's fun to play with. It does like to take over. So the reason I was putting that cobalt metallic next to it, so it wouldn't like be a blast in your face. This one does have a lot of gold playing its part, which is pretty cool. Let me get it up here and we'll give it a torch. It's going to be beautiful when it's dry. showing this one too. When you guys ask to see them, I always tell you, remind me, because when I'm on Monday nights, that's probably like the last thing on my mind. Unless it's something I just did like that day or the day before that's actually dry and I can show it to you. But yeah, this is fun. Alright, let me get up and I'll show you up close. Look at those. So nothing will sink that I can see. I'm gonna just tap just this way, just a smidge. There we go. I wasn't liking that, the way it was anchored. But I'm gonna leave it right there. And I have some beautiful skins that I can probably pull at least one tile or two. But check out all the links below. Join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. Eastern right here on my channel. And shop with us on all the links below. Amazon and Etsy. I promise I'm going to get stuff in the Etsy shop. I have paint there now. But if you're interested in getting our paints, you can email me at ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. Or if you're a member of the Parage Posse group on Facebook, you can order through there as well. Love you all. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.